Good morning to all traders and welcome to another daily market insights video from Orbex. My name is Stavros, and today I want to talk about gold and oil because gold has finally cracked above 13 on Brexit uncertainty, as well as some supporting poor data from the US inflation data. And oil has been actually performing very well for the week, and that's because there's been new headlines coming up about production cuts, as well as a major electricity disruption in Venezuela that causes some sort of issues in oil output. Now, quickly on our calendar, we're expecting also spring forecast statement from the UK, along with Brexit vote today, crude oil goods for the US and PPI, as well as the EIA crude oil stocks report. Now, I want to quickly go on the gold. Excuse me, let me just grab my pen quickly. We've talked about gold for quite a few sessions over the past few weeks. We are sitting over here. The question is this the end of a correction, or are we going to bigger correction to see a bigger correction down to 1250, near 1250? Well, we have a bullish bias signal here, indicating that we should be cautious. This signal could end up just being a correction over here with prices moving lower, or it could mean that we have seen an end over here and prices now are moving higher. Down on the 4-hour chart, I'm seeing this as an impulse downside wave, and I am expecting this to be a correction with a break down for wave 5. This is where I see the market zone in case prices go lower. Now, on the 4-hour chart, I do get some bearish supporting signals, and I wouldn't be surprised if we see prices getting rejection anywhere between 1320.25 and 1306. We cracked that level, as we said, the 13 level psychological. It could be simply a false break above the psychological level, or it could turn out to be the end of correction over here with prices moving all the way up. But as we said before, I do see some contradicting signals on the daily and on the 4-hour chart. But in the longer term, I am bullish. In the short to medium term, a little bit bearish. Now, let's go on a 1-hour chart to check what we see over here. Okay, prices are currently moving higher. We are near a very strong resistance level, and we could see a duplication of wave 1 up to the 1310, which is also the extension of this first wave from here to down here. Okay, for this, of course, to happen, we will need to see some supportive signals on the MACD and on the RSI. We don't see anything that supports bullish move, but I wouldn't be surprised, because we are on the hourly chart, if we see prices moving all the way to 1312 or even higher to 1323. But what we want is this signal to either be maintained for prices to move lower and to correct a larger C wave, or we can expect to see a new sort of signal forming up where we will want bearish signs on the MACD and RSI while prices are moving up. Now, when I go on the oil quickly, yes, we are on the 4-hour charts. Some good patterns here as well, correction. We had an impulse wave to the upside with a very poor attempt from bulls over here. It's called a truncation. And the correction down here, we are moving in a descending channel, and from here I expect prices to either move all the way down, or a potential scenario as well, move all the way up to complete a WXY pattern. In the medium term, that could potentially bring us to another medium to larger time frame WXY pattern, with prices moving all the way up here from down that level. Now, of course, why do I expect prices to move higher a little bit? Because I want really to see a false break above wave 3. This false break would probably trigger more bears and could take prices all the way down here. I would expect to see some divergent signals on the MACD, RSI against prices. Now, if that happened and prices come back within the channel, I want to see where I'm going to receive the next signal on the MACD and RSI. Now, it might be over here, it might be lower over here. In either case, from this level, which is the 53, or from 51, near even 50 psychological, I wouldn't be surprised. I would be expecting bulls to start stepping in with big volumes. Quickly, let's go down on the 1 hour chart. I'm seeing prices, there is some sort of bearish divergence over here on the MACD. Nothing too major though. Prices have been rejected at this level, and we could either see them now moving higher for the false break we expect, or we could see this as an ABC pattern, and we can see price moving all the way down and expect the move to last up to the 50 Fibonacci, because we really want to see this false break to have some clearer signs. Or obviously, we could see the prices move all the way down with an impulse wave to that level. This could also, looks like an ABCDE pattern anyway. But note, I will want to focus in case prices move lower. I will want to see some sort of bullish hidden divergence. Looks like we would be looking at this one in order to see whether prices are going to move higher or not in the short term. Now, I would recommend just to keep an eye on both gold as well as the oil today, because we have the EIB report as well as the US data plus the Brexit vote around 7 p.m. London time. Thank you for watching our daily video for one more time. Please feel free to subscribe to our channel because that's how you can stay updated about the markets. Don't forget to visit our blog where we'll cover latest news, publish trading ideas, and provide all the necessary tools to serve you responsibly.